The Sneezing Lion. One sunny morning in the jungle, Lion woke up and said, "Today I'll roar the loudest roar ever." He stood tall, took a deep breath, and achoo! Instead of a roar, out came a giant sneeze. It was so strong it blew Monkey off his branch, made Elephant's hat fly away, and sent Zebra's stripes zigzagging. Monkey laughed. "Bless you, King Sneezy." Lion sniffled and said, "Next time I'll roar without the sneeze." But when he tried again, "Roar! Achoo!" everyone laughed so hard that Lion decided maybe being the funniest lion was even better than being the loudest one. Moral: sometimes laughter is stronger than a roar.